I was going to CVS. I took my motorcycle. There was one guy which was on the right at the stop. I saw him, but I never thought he will cross me. The moment I come near to the intersection, he just jumped right in. I was not able to move my hand. I felt like something broke or a lot of pain on my body. And when I was having a conversation with Jimin, it was more about me and helping me. She wanted to make sure that I get the best settlement. She strategized our case in a very proper manner and executed very well. I think she has a conviction with her work and people she wanna help. Today I'm feeling very good with my second life. I'm very happy to end up here and no doubt about it, she's the best.